Welcome to my Dad Muffin Art channel. Hi there. Today we are going to draw a beautiful heart. First grab your pencil and start by drawing two curved lines. These will form the top part of the heart. Imagine you are drawing the top halves of a circle or two large bumps. Now from the outer edge of each curve, bring both lines downwards towards the middle, forming a point at the bottom. These lines will make the V shape of the heart. Make sure your lines are smooth and connect the point at the bottom in a gentle way. Don't worry if it is not perfect, each heart has its own style. Next, let's go over the shape with a darker line or and you can use a pen to outline your heart. Finally, if you like, you can color it in. Try red or pink, any color, or use any color you love. And there you have it, your own hand heart drawing. Thanks for watching this video.